Well, good evening, everybody. Here's another update. Kind of just hanging out. Oh, I went live for a little bit, set up my tripod and everything, and just it wasn't that great, and I kind of bailed. I keep doing that, but it's really hard to stay on when I don't know anybody. There's not much chit chat, and right now I don't have a whole lot to offer, I guess, in terms of content, other than just being me. Um, and being out in this beautiful, beautiful woods. So, yeah, that's my sleep shelter in the background there. Um, might close the flap tonight because it's supposed to get downright cold, and I haven't dealt with the cold in this shelter yet. There's not much for protection, really, except for the rain and the wind. Um, but it's better than nothing. Uh, it's been working out. I've been dry. So you can see it's all tied down to that tree. I've shown this off before, but this is my bed and my clothes. And then my stuff is all in a different shelter. Yeah. I explain this a lot, but there's different components to my tent so that I'm not downwind from food and all those other various concerns. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to check in, say hi, let you know I was thinking about everybody and wondering how y'all doing. And I hope you're all doing well. All right. Till my next update, stay safe.